Hi, how are we doing, guys? It's Tom here again from On the Road. We've come to some recent discoveries of some AI tools which are going to kind of be groundbreaking and kind of potentially put front-end developers out of business. Don't know why I'm putting it on YouTube because it probably is best interest not to, but I mean, we're mainly back-end stuff now, so but you never know with ChatGPT, it's probably going to put stuff out the window. So, as you've probably seen from the title on the video, this is how to go from AI, how to go from a Figma design, take it and use AI and have a Shopify site built for you. I mean, this section is kind of going to be small because I'm just going to show you how to do one section. Because to be honest, we've recently discovered this and we've tried it a few times and it's worked here or there. But I've just kind of found a random Figma template online and I thought I'd just give it a go on the fly. So if I've already uploaded, it means it's worked. How well it's worked, I do not know yet, but we're going to find out. So yeah, I found this Figma design. So I've just gone to this section at the bottom because it's very basic, but I didn't want to do anything complicated for the moment. So I kind of want to prove a point. But we can, in a later video, if you guys like this, we can do a full site with a full content management system, which I think would be a pretty cool challenge to do. Even if it takes me about an hour, who cares? Like, or a couple of hours. Like, at least it'd be cool to watch. So yeah, I've got this Figma design. I'm going to click on this section here right at the bottom. Go to widgets, manage widgets. Was it plugins? Sorry, go to plugins. You want to find a plugin called builder.io. It's a Figma plugin that basically turns this design into code, essentially. So if we click on this, generate code, we're going to do it. Tense moment. So we're just going to go to HTML, CSS. There will be no JavaScript for this. And we're going to go generate code. I mean, that did that well quick. So we're going to copy that. For the moment, we're going to skip because I kind of want to use ChatGPT. I mean, that's pretty good, ChatGPT, to make this even better. So we're using, as you can see here on the my test store, we're just going to quickly ruin this section here, image banner, just because it's easier than creating a new section. I'm just going to delete all this for a moment. We're going to put some schema in later. So as you can see, that's the styling. I don't think it's optimized fully for mobile, not as I can see, but we're going to have a look and test it. As you can see, the image has been uploaded to their server. So when you integrate Shopify's content management system, obviously that would change. So it's done something here. It's just loading really slowly. Again, it's turned that into a button, but I mean, that's not bad, is it? Let's see. I mean, it's kind of mobile optimized. What we're going to do now is use ChatGPT to do several things. You optimize the HTML and CSS in this code, and also mobile and tablet friendly. I can't spell, it's my dyslexia. Friendly? I still don't know how to spell it correctly. This won't take long at all. If you've got the new Chat GPT 4.0, I think it's an O anyway. I don't know if it's a 0. It's an O, definitely. I might be taking a while because I am recording this on Loom, which I probably shouldn't have done. Probably should have done it on my recording system. But I'm literally just doing this on the fly because I just want to prove you how easy it is. And yeah. Okay. Interesting. Let's give that a go quickly. Just see what changes it's made. Let's see. I mean, that's good. And can you also add in a link to the section link, and also what else do we want to do? For the moment, let's add see if we can add some transitions, and also can you add in some transitions, and also some hover effects. Also, don't forget to minify the CSS for us. Let's see if that works. After this, just because I don't spend too long on it, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to add in some Shopify schema for us. Let's see how far we get with that. But yeah, guys, this is how simple it is. Build.io, ChatGPT, and Shopify. Anyone's a developer, well, at least a front-end developer. So yeah, shouldn't be giving away the secret, really, should I? Okay, right, last save of the day until we get into the content management system. I mean, that's now a link. Oh, look at that, we've got some hover effects. I don't think we've got any transitions when it comes onto the page. Right, actually, quickly before we go on to the rest of it, I want to, can you add width and height into the image, and also preload to the image as well. Image instead of lazy. Because then from there, can you add in Shopify schema and liquid, so we have a content management system. We can change the text, change the link URL, change the image, and change the text color. Yeah, that would do for the moment. That's looking good. Come on. Oh, that's probably doing this, isn't it? That's in the schema separately. That's interesting. That's fine though. We'll bang that in quickly whilst it does the schema. I wonder how long this loom's going to be going on for. I'd be intrigued to figure out how long we've been recording for. ChatGPT, help us out, help us out. I'm not even going to see if that's right or not. The only thing it hasn't done, which is not the end of the world, I mean, if you know your way around Shopify, just got to add the schema tags around that. And the schema. Link URL default must be a string. Okay, just because I don't know what link we're going to be directing that to, I'm just going to leave the default out for the moment. Yeah, that's also wrong. What we're going to do for that is just change the image URL to the image URL that's not depreciated. And then we're also going to do, oh, that's fine. We'll leave that for the moment. We now want the customizer panel. Refresh that. Where we at? It probably won't have an image, which is fine. We could have put a default one in, but we didn't. Change. Right. It's messing up here. There's one more go. That's my fault because I was going to change this to bear with me here, guys. This is my fault. This is why I need AI. AI wouldn't do this. $2,000. I think that was it. Oh, who cares, to be honest. For the moment, that will do. That should work now. The real test. Look at that. Oh, we haven't got any default in for that, have we? Let me put a link in. Again, you could do loads of things here, by the way, which I'll try in a minute. Let me put a link in. Snowboard. So we've got a content management system here. You can change the text, change the link, change the text color. Let's try that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you add schema in the content management system below to add option to change position the text and link container, for example, top left, top center, top right, etc., etc. See, that prompt is good enough. So yeah, you can just expand on this and do stuff like this. So I'm pretty sure it looks like, yeah, it's gonna add in here vertical alignment here. So these are going to be the schemas that control where the text goes, and then it's going to add that schema in further down here. Because we're using the schema that we just copied and pasted, not a lot should have changed apart from what we wanted to. So we're going to copy and paste that. Just delete all that for the moment. Save. And then roll with it. So, I don't know why I want this to work so bad. Look at that. Save that. You're laughing. So probably just put myself out of business, guys, but yeah, just showing you how to do that in a few easy steps. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it's been valuable to you guys. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and see you later to the next one.